What's quieter than a Genie belt drive garage door opener? Nope. Afraid not. Not even that. Fact is, Genie belt drive openers are as quiet as they are fast and powerful. Ultra quiet. Because there are just so many things you'd rather hear around your house. Or not hear. Genie belt drives are simply the quietest garage door openers for their power rating you can buy. No matter how large or heavy the door, high-power DC motors with Genie Sense technology actually sense how much lifting power is needed and apply it smoothly every time. Lifting power that flows directly to Genie's smooth-running, super quiet belt drive system. How quiet? Check it out. Genie belt drive openers are designed end-to-end for reliability and years of trouble-free service. Installation? Just as trouble-free. Packaging is color-coded to match instruction steps. All Genie openers include remotes that are factory programmed and ready to use right out of the box. IntelliCode encryption provides state-of-the-art security every time you push the button. Genie belt drive garage door openers. Quietly powerful quality. Only from Genie, the brand you trust.
At the top of its class, the B970 packs all the premier features to meet your family's everyday needs. Always stay in touch with home, even while you're away, with built-in Wi-Fi and the industry-leading MyQ app. A tap is all it takes to close the garage door from anywhere, and an instant alert reassures you that it's actually closed. Stand up to extreme weather, from sizzling heat waves to freezing cold spells with maximum lift power. Even when the power's out, you'll still be able to get in and out thanks to battery backup. For peace and quiet, the extra strong belt drive system is virtually silent and vibration-free. And you'll be able to quickly come and go with Tri-Band Technology's superior remote range. To give your family more ways to access the garage, the B970 comes with convenient accessories right in the box. With our simple how-to videos, it's easy to get everything up and running in no time. For the solution that's got it all, you can't beat the B970.
Bench Sentry now works with Genie to protect your deliveries in the bench or the garage. Bench Sentry lets you specify where you want packages delivered. The driver simply enters the last 4 digits of the tracking number to access either the bench or the garage. For packages that are designated for the garage, the door opens, the packages are delivered, and then the door closes automatically. Keeping your deliveries safe and secure, Bench Sentry and Genie.